Welcome to Karna Maths Academy. Today in this lecture, we are going to discuss integration by substitution method. Hello dear students. Already we have discussed the integration of the functions in the previous lecture, and today in this lecture we are going to discuss integration by substitution method. If we cannot find the antiderivative, that means integration of the given function by the general rule, then we have to find the derivative by substitution method. So this is very simple method. That means when the given function is in the form of u by v, or when the given function is in the product form, then in that case, if we cannot find the derivative of the given function by the general rule, then we have to find the derivative by the special method, which is called substitution method. Before we apply substitution method, we have to check whether we can apply substitution method or not. What is the required condition for the substitution method? To apply the substitution method, if there are two functions given, then the derivative of one function must be equal to the second function. So let's check at first. Either the derivative of first function should be equal to the second function, or the derivative of the second function should be equal to the first function. Then in that case, only we can apply the method of substitution for integration. In question number 1, the denominator is the second function. Let us say 2x plus 5 is the first function and x squared plus 5x is the second function. If we find the derivative of second function, that means x squared plus 5x, the derivative of x squared is 2x and the derivative of x is 1. 1 into 5 is 5. That means derivative of x squared plus 5x is equal to 2x plus 5. So we have got the derivative of second function exactly equal to the first function. That means we can apply the method of substitution method to find the integration. So let's suppose the second function, that means x squared plus 5x as u, because the derivative of the second function is equal to the first function. So let's suppose x squared plus 5x, which is the second function, as u. Now let's find the derivative of u with respect to x. We get du by dx equal to d by dx of x squared plus 5x, differentiating on both sides with respect to x. That means d by dx of x squared plus 5x is equal to d by dx of u. That means we can say du by dx, or d by dx of x squared plus d by dx of 5x using the sum rule of derivative, d by dx of x squared plus d by dx of 5x. That means derivative of first term plus derivative of second term is equal to du by dx. d by dx of x squared plus d by dx of 5x is equal to du by dx. We know derivative of x squared is 2x. According to the power rule, d by dx of xn, derivative of x to the power n, is n xn minus 1. That means we have to write the power at first and decrease the power by 1. X squared derivative is 2x plus the derivative of x is 1 and 5 is as it is. The coefficient we have to keep as it is. So d by dx, derivative of 5x, 5 is coefficient we keep as it is, into the derivative of x is 1. So 2x plus 5, 2x plus 5 is equal to du by dx, which is equal to the first function. Now we have to find the antiderivative. We have to find the antiderivative of 2x plus 5 by root x squared plus 5x. So antiderivative, or we can say integration, we can denote by the capital letter I. I is equal to integration of 2x plus 5 by root x squared plus 5x dx equals to 2x plus 5x, 2x plus 5. 2x plus 5 is equal to du by dx. So 2x plus 5 dx, 2x plus 5, 2x plus 5 into dx, 2x plus 5 into dx, we can replace by du, because du is equal to 2x plus 5 into dx. So putting the value of 2x plus 5 dx equals to du, we get du by root x squared plus 5x. The second function x squared plus 5x we have supposed as u. The second function x squared plus 5x we have supposed u. So x squared plus 5x, that means second function we can replace by u. So replacing x squared plus 5x by u. Replacing x squared plus 5x. Replacing x squared plus 5x by u, because second function x squared plus 5x we have supposed u. So replacing x squared plus 5x by u, we get root, the value of x squared plus 5x is u. So du by root u equals to du by root u means u power 1 by 2, changing root into power. So root u we can write as u power 1 by 2. Now taking the reciprocal, u power 1 by 2, if we take reciprocal, that means if we change divide into multiply, then u power 1 by 2 will be u power minus 1 by 2. Now we can find the antiderivative of the function u power minus 1 by 2. Now we can apply the power rule. According to the power rule of antiderivative, we have to increase the power by 1. So when minus 1 by 2 is increased by power 1, that means minus 1 by 2 plus 1. Then the power will be u power minus 1 by 2 plus 1, and then we have divided by the same power. That means we have divided by minus 1 by 2 plus 1. According to the formula of antiderivative of power rule, the antiderivative of x power n, u power minus 1 by 2, we can suppose as x power n. The antiderivative of x power n is equal to x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So applying to find the antiderivative of u power minus 1 by 2, applying the power rule of antiderivative. So we get u power minus 1 by 2 plus 1 divided by minus 1 by 2 plus 1. 1 minus 1 by 2, we get 1 by 2. 1 minus 1 by 2, we get 1 by 2. That means u power 1 by 2 divided by 1 by 2, which is equal to, now 1 by 2, if we take reciprocal, u power 1 by 2 is divided by 1 by 2. So divide, change, and multiply. So if we change divide into multiply, we have to take the reciprocal of the denominator. So 1 by 2 reciprocal is 2. That means changing divide into multiply. 1 by 2 will be equal to, then u power 1 by 2. Power 1 by 2 change into root. Power 1 by 2 means square root. So u, square root of u is equal to, now 2 as it is. Now the last step. In the last step, we have to substitute the value of u. Because x square plus 5x, the second function we supposed, the second function x square plus 5x, we had supposed u. So u replacing by x square plus 5x. Then we get the antiderivative of given function equals to 2 root x square plus 5x, which is the required antiderivative of the given function. X square plus 5x we have supposed as u. So antiderivative of the given function, that means antiderivative of 2x plus 5 by root x square plus 5x by the method of substitution. The antiderivative we get 2 root x square plus 5x. Thank you. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, subscribe my YouTube channel Karna Maths Academy to get daily new updates. And don't forget to hit the bell icon, notification bell icon, so that you get the new updates immediately. Thank you. Thanks for watching this video.